Camera, video.
Hello YouTube and hello my friends. This was one of those rides that would remain in my mind afresh. The reason is interesting. I will tell you that in few minutes. Very early in the morning, the road was absolutely empty. The ride over the Electronic City elevated highway was blissful. There, I spotted my riding partner after an hour of riding.
How are you? You know the route, right?
Fuel up first.
Okay.
Add some 4-5 liters
Okay, so we'll fill the fuel.
on the way somewhere.
Good.
Then what's up?
Going on, I'm not so excited to go.
You can literally feel the excitement in my voice, right? I call him PK. This gentleman rode his Yamaha SZR, a 150cc commuter bike, on the roads of Leh and back to tell the tale.
Camera, video.
Curious onlookers. PK proved that you don't need big fancy high displacement motorcycles to conquer the mighty Himalayas. Two PKs? Just kidding. We did spot those big fancy high displacement motorcycles on our way. We also spotted an amazing array of Pulsars, Dukes and Royal Enfields. Take a look at that.
You want me to switch it on?
PK wanted to check out my aux lights.
There are so many bikers. There was a formation there. Did you see that?
After the toll gate, the smooth black tarmac greeted us. The view on both sides was simply out of the world.
I cruise at 100. 100. 80 is the perfect speed actually in this kind of roads. Yeah, I will maintain 80. 70 to 80. Yeah.
I did occasionally touch 100 though to catch up, thanks to my clumsy camera button. As I was admiring my shadow cruising in front of me, PK pulled some fancy moves of his own. That, my friends, is called saddling. Very useful technique while off-roading. It was time for breakfast. Swati Delicacy, a good vegetarian restaurant with ample space for parking. Post breakfast, we spotted those big fancy high displacement motorcycles. Again,
Yeah, this is the road and then we have to take left as it goes. 1.9 kilometers. No, left.
as we rode, PK kept giving me tips and tricks on how to ride on rough roads and gravels. We finally spotted the dam, but the very reason for its existence was not to be seen. Then we started following the mud trail right into the reservoir. To our surprise, we saw the same array of Pulsars, Dukes and Royal Enfields, all stunningly arranged and posing for the paparazzi.
Hello.
I saw you in the morning actually. Yeah,
Oh yeah, okay.